How's it going? We don't have a mic or anything, but hope you can hear me. This is Pete Koopman. We are live. This is Black Buffalo 3D, printing the world's first ICC-ES AC509 structure. It is a residential project in Fort Worth, Texas. If you happen to be local, be sure to stop by and check us out. We are right on a corner lot. We're at 100 West Bolt Street. It is across from the Grand Plaza Mall. We wanted to make sure that we were as public as possible with our project. We're not holding anything back. Stop by, ask our crew questions. We're going to be here. These walls are going to be 12 feet tall. We're at around hour 11 out of 45 of printing right now. We had some difficult weather over the past few days, but we were able to actually print through the rain. We did 8 hours of live printing with audience. The first day we did just an hour and a half due to lightning yesterday. And today the weather is clear right now. We expect some storms to blow in later, but we're going to keep on going up until there's lightning or anything dangerous for our crew or anyone that comes out to watch. So stop by. We'll probably be printing Saturday and Sunday as well. We're going to get the front half of this house done. And then we are going to utilize our track system that allows you to expand the footprint of the printer. We are going to move the tracks from the front to the back of the job site and print the back half of the house. So you'll have plenty of opportunity. Again, it's around 45 hours of print time. We expect that to be spread over around 7 days. Weather permitting, we are going to even try to cut that down a little bit as well. So definitely keep track of what we're doing here. Stop by if you're even within a couple hours. It's a really great opportunity to get some uncensored, unfiltered looks at what it takes to do a 3D printed home and print all the walls. You can see our mixing and batching system back here. We've got water. Because of the heat, we're actually loading ice into the water basin. Our material is proprietary. It comes as a dry mix in 3,000 pound super sacks. We go through around 3,000 pounds an hour at this rate. And we have the material fed into a mixer and then fed into the pump when it's ready to go. So, you know, we got a few guys on this job site. You could operate with 3 to 4 guys. We have 5 because we are training some of our team members here that are relatively new to the company. Actually, 3 of them started around a month ago. But definitely come by, check us out. You can see, for the most part, the printer is kind of running on its own. We are occasionally spraying it down with water because of the heat here. But everything is going really well, and you probably could catch some more clips on, I believe, Fox and CBS stop by. So definitely make sure to come see it in person, because it's really cool to watch it live on YouTube and cool to watch it even pre-recorded on YouTube, but it's even better to come see it in person. And again, this is Pete Koopman. I'm the CMO. You can always reach out to us through our website at bb3d.io to ask questions. But I just found out my flight's delayed, so I'm going to be here for at least another few hours as well. So you might as well come by, talk to me, talk to us, and learn about 3D construction. I am going to start talking about some of the things that are unique about our company that make us different than any other building technique in the world. We spent many years getting this material formula down, partnering with MAPE on the material formulation. And the reason we did that is because we got our machine, the material, and our unique wall design actually tested and verified by Intertek under ICC International Code Council standards, and became the first company in the world to meet standards for printing structural walls. So not only are our walls able to be customized and printed in any format, and they can even be finished any way you would a CMU block, but of course you can add a lot of curves and different features. We also are able to print load-bearing features, so if you want to design your home to be any shape, you can go ahead and do that. And we have an ESR report that tells your structural engineer, your local jurisdiction, that we are load bearing, and you can get permitted and approvals much more easily than some of the other innovative techniques that are out there. So our business model is to sell the printers, train developers, builders, and others how to use it. But if you do have a unique high-profile project that you want us to come out with our team and print for you, definitely reach out through the website. Again, that's bb-buffalo3d.io. So bb3d.io is the best way to get a hold of us on the contact form there. You can also reach out to us through social media on Instagram, on LinkedIn, or Facebook are our primary channels right now. I'm going to keep recording and going live so everyone can see what we're doing here with no filters, and we'll see how it goes. So if you have any questions, I'm not monitoring the chat so carefully because I'm trying to navigate this job site. Since we're printing interior walls, normally the entire slab would be poured, but the builder developer that we partnered on this decided to just do the foundation and footing. So we're working with what we have. If you see me trip or move away from the bead, it's probably because I'm trying to navigate the job site here. And after all the rain, we got a lot of sticky clay. And you can see what's nice about our job sites is that although we do have a couple guys here, the machine is doing a lot of the heavy lifting here. So we can show you guys what the mixing batching setup looks like. Again, because of the weather, we are putting some ice into the water tank to keep the temperature down a little bit. We've got dust extraction on top of the silo and the cutter there. And everything's going pretty well. Looks like we might be a layer 10. Are we a layer 10? Christian, Durwall or no? Okay. So thank you for tuning in. What happens every 10 layers is that we place this horizontal reinforcement, commonly known as Durwall. It's like a joint reinforcement. And that is every 10 layers just to stabilize the wall as we print. We do not necessarily stop printing here. We can go continuously. We had people here for the full 8 hours of printing on Tuesday rather. So there's a lot of people that saw us continuously print, and that is our goal, to get this as efficient and done as quickly as possible. So with the 12-foot walls and multiple sections and a lot of prints, it's around 45 hours of total print time. And then the developer that we partnered with will come in and finish it off with a concrete roof as an example of resilience. So again, if you do have any questions, make sure to reach out to us. If you do have projects that you're considering 3D construction printing for, we do like to see at least 10 homes or a big structure in a row that'll take advantage of our track system. So we are able to either extend the tracks and go down the line as far as you want, or we can actually move the tracks. You can see there's a connection point right there. So we can actually move the track from one side to the other, which is what we're going to do on this lot. We are printing the front half of the house first, and then we're going to come back and we are going to print the second half of the house. So we're going to get up to that 12 and a half foot height, and then we're going to go to the back half. And again, if you're just tuning in, this is Fort Worth, Texas. We're at 100 West Bolt Street. We're making the site as visible and open to the public as possible. There's a massive mall, Grand Plaza, right across the street. And we did live event days the last couple days, but we're also inviting people to stop by now. It has been really great seeing the people of Fort Worth come by asking questions, people of all ages. We had a bunch of people come by, and tons of interest in this area in disaster resilient housing. So this home that we're printing now is a fully permitted project. We're gonna allow people that are interested in the technology and learning more about our company as well actually stay in the home once it's complete. So definitely be sure to subscribe on our website so you get that information, and make sure to reach out to us if you do have projects that you're considering or you're looking into 3D construction printing. We are happy to answer questions and tell you if it's a good project for us. We've been streaming live for around 15 16 minutes, and probably going to take a pause at this point. We are here for a while, so make sure you stop by even if it's over the weekend. Again, we're doing live printing. You can come by, it's public roads and everything else. And feel free to come by, ask us any questions, no matter what.